Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're answering a question we're often asked by clients who are setting up or restructuring their businesses. What exactly is a limited liability partnership, or LLP as it's commonly known? Whether you're a professional looking to join forces with others, or simply exploring the best structure for your business, understanding how an LLP works can make a real difference to your future success. Let's start with the basics. A limited liability partnership is a business structure that combines the flexibility of a traditional partnership with the protection of limited liability, much like a limited company. It was introduced in the UK back in 2001, designed mainly for professional practices, such as solicitors, accountants, and architects, although it can be used by many types of businesses. In an ordinary partnership, each partner is personally responsible for the business's debts. That means if things go wrong, personal assets could be at risk. An LLP, on the other hand, provides a protective layer. Each partner's liability is limited to the amount they've invested in the business, plus any personal guarantees they've given. In other words, your home and savings are generally safe if the partnership faces financial trouble. But the real charm of an LLP is how it blends protection with flexibility. Unlike a limited company, which has shareholders and directors, an LLP is made up of members who have the freedom to decide how they'll run the business, share profits, and make decisions. So, this is usually set out in an LLP agreement, a crucial document that outlines each member's rights, responsibilities, and share of the profits. Now, while the law doesn't strictly require you to have one, not having a written LLP agreement can lead to confusion, conflict, and some very awkward conversations down the line. So it's always wise to get one drafted professionally. At Blackstone Solicitors, we've helped many clients put together agreements that keep things crystal clear and protect everyone's interests. Now, how does an LLP differ from a limited company? Well, the main difference lies in taxation and internal structure. An LLP doesn't pay corporation tax. Instead, each member is taxed individually on their share of the profits, just as in a traditional partnership. That can be advantageous for some, depending on your income and how you prefer to manage your finances. LLPs also need to be registered at Companies House and must file annual accounts, so there's a level of transparency similar to a limited company. But they tend to have a lighter administrative burden and greater flexibility in how they operate day to day. You could think of an LLP as the best of both worlds: the agility of a partnership, combined with the safety net of limited liability. It lets professionals work together without having to lose sleep over personal financial risk. Though, of course, that doesn't mean it's risk-free. If a member personally guarantees a loan or acts negligently, they can still be held responsible for their own actions. So, it's not a magic shield, but it does offer strong protection when managed properly. Setting up an LLP involves some key legal steps, including registration, preparing the LLP agreement, and making sure you comply with ongoing filing obligations. It's not complicated, but it does need to be done correctly. Honestly, getting professional legal advice at the outset can save you from some costly issues later on. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help clients establish LLPs that are tailored to their specific needs, ensuring that every aspect, from profit distribution to management structure, is properly thought through. Whether you're launching a new venture or converting an existing partnership, we can guide you through the process with confidence. So, to sum up, a limited liability partnership offers flexibility, professional credibility, and personal protection. A structure that gives you the freedom to focus on growing your business while keeping risks in check. If you're considering setting up an LLP or want advice on whether it's the right fit for your business, get in touch with our team here at Blackstone Solicitors. We'd be delighted to help you make the right legal and commercial decisions for your future. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more expert legal insights, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.